Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing very well, and in this video I'm going to walk through an exciting topic, and the topic is how to add booking calendar in WordPress, and it will be a step-by-step breakdown video. So I hope you will watch the video till the end. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. As you can see, we already set up our WordPress store in our local host. This is our dashboard panel, and if you want to use to watch our website, then this is our website. Here we have some posted over that place. We have some sample pages in the website. So now I'm going to work on this. So first of all, I just need to go over here in the plugin. Then I need to install a plugin that calls Amelia. It is a apps that support booking calendar options, so that for reason Amelia will be the perfect for us because it provides great service. Amelia, or you can find out any other platform or apps in here. We have many options like booking calendar. If you search for booking calendar, then you will get many or bunch of options over this search result. You can see this is appointment booking calendar. Just click over here and you can see the eventual result over that place. Here we have many more. You can see this one. All are similar kind of and easy to use, but Amelia is really perfect. So you just need to click on install now. So I already installed it. I just need to activate it in our WordPress apps. Just click over here and you just need to wait a while, and now you can see our Amelia has been installed in our WordPress. So now we just need to explore our Amelia, so understand we can get a good understand about Amelia. That for a reason I am going to click off Amelia. Then I will check out the dashboard. This is the dashboard and this is the interface. This will be, and then we can check out the calendar also. Then you can see this is the calendar, and then we have appointment options. This is the appointment options. Then we have events option also in here, you can see. Next we have the services. Also we have many more options over that place. So let's create an appointment over that place. Let's see how easy the process was. Let's click on new appointment. Once you click over here, it will give you this option, customer's name. I'm going to name a customer that will be by my name, that is Mahim Rahman, and then click on OK. I need to find out a customer. Before I need to search here, I always make sure that my customer is available that place. Yeah, you can go over that customer place and create a customer. You need to add a customer. So I'm going to add a customer. That name will be Mahim and my last name will be Rahman. And I don't have any email, so this is not necessary in here. Phone, email, WordPress user, gender, date of birth or anything. You just need to fulfill this first name and last name. You can see this is the rate star we have. Just click on save. Once you click over here, now your customer has been saved over that place. Now you need to go on appointment. Once you go over here, now you are allowed to create an appointment. Just search Mahim Rahman. You already get Mahim Rahman, and then you can go over that place or choose anything you want, or you can choose any person over that place. Then you need to select category. Let's talk about the category. What is category? So if you visit that place, let's go over here and go that place called events. Then you will get option. Where is the customer service? Yes, this one. So here you can see we have services. What kind of service do we sell? Like if you are selling pizza, or if you have a shop who runs hair stylist, then you just need to add category. Like let's create here pizza shop, then search pizza, and let's click on save. Once I click over here save pizza, then here you can allow to add services. Like services mean what kind of pizza do you sell. Like I am going to sell that it will be, or I can say it will be a company like Pizza Hut, and category I need to select, that will be pizza, and then I am going to add it as a save. just click over here, and you need to be add duration. I will deliver my Pizza Hut pizza within 30 minutes, and its price will be nearly $10. And now click on save. And now as you can see, this pizza had Pizza Hut, and you can further more options like let's add Domino's, and add also connected. Its parent category will be pizza, that's why I'm going to select pizza. Similarly, I'm going to add duration and pricing. I will deliver it within 30 minutes. Then I will going to add the pizza price, that will be 15, and then click on save. Now our pizza had 2 services. As you can see, it already added 2 services. And now I am going to click on appointment again, and then create a new appointment, and then select customer Mahin Rahman, then select category, that will be pizza. Select service, I'm going to get a service from Pizza or Domino's. I'm taking it Pizza Hut. Then I need to mention my date, that will be 23, and select 9:30. And you can add any note you want, but I think I don't need any note yet, so I'm going to add here. Now you can see our Mahin Rahman has been added, and it assigned to Gigi. This, what is the meaning of assigned to? Let's discuss about it. So here you need to go over that place setting. Once you go over here, you can see this, we have a provider details. Use this setting to configure product or provider details, like who is the person will give the service to that people. Like Mahin Rahman is a customer, and I am working in a shop, and my name is JJ, and I am going to give him the service when he will arrive into my shop. So that is the person, is called GG. Always you need to be make a provider before to make an appointment. Once you've done everything, now we need to be visit over that place, and you need to be copy the code. So just go over here, customize, and you need to be click on continue. Once you click over here continue, you will get the code over that place. Just select publish form. Once you published it, you need to be copy the code from that place. You can see we have sidebar, we have service selection date, and many more. So you need to be click on congratulations. Where I need to be find out where is the code first of all. So we already get our code, so I'm going to visit our page panel, and then I will click on edit button, and then it will redirect me to that place. And I will remove this because I already make it. Let's add another element, that will be Amelia. As you can see, we already get various kind of option that place. So I'm going to select this option, step by step booking, or also I'm going to delete this one so you can understand perfectly. Then add another one, that will be Amelia, and I'm going to choose this one, and let's click on save. Once I click over here save, now I am able to see it properly. Let's go and check the preview option, view page, and here you can see this is the first option. I'm going to select on pizza, then I will going to select on Domino's. Then I need to be click on continue. Once I click over here, they are asking for the time, that I am going to click this, and I will visit the store 11:30 to 12 p.m. Then click on continue, and I'm going to provide email and phone number. Then I will click on continue, and as you can see, Domino's pizza price is $15. My total amount will be 15, and then click on continue. Congratulations, appointment. As you can see how easy the process was. And this one is literally making for the decoration. As you can see here, applicant catalog booking. So if you're selling products like online store in, like I can say that women's sector, men's sector, baby sector, this catalog will be helpful for you. Here I am going to click on pizza, then I'm getting 2 options or 2 services available right now. I'm going to click on continue, then I am getting this option will be serve me GG2. This will be my shopkeeper. Then I am going to click on book now, and I need to select the date over that place. Just copy a date and select a time, and the process is regularly simple. Relatively all the possible things are similar. And now I'm going to click on, and as you can see, congratulations. So I hope you understand how easy the process was, and you already understand various things in this video. If you think this video was knowledgeable for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. And if you have any question related to this video, then just go scroll down and go to the comment box and comment us. I will give you all the necessary steps in this comment box. And if you love this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to share with your friends. I hope you love this video. Then till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with a new topic.